We are selling a romantic beach property with a native house located on the west side of Camotes Island. This large plot covers 5,992 square meters and features approximately 100 meters of beach frontage. The property has a low cliff that is well landscaped and protected by a concrete seawall. Stairs are built into the cliff, providing direct access to the water. The distance from the top of the cliff to the water is around 2 meters, with a depth of 3 meters at high tide. This area previously served as a docking port for small boats. The beach itself is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, paddling, and enjoying breathtaking sunsets. The land is connected to the road, enclosed by a barbed wire fence, and it is beautifully landscaped with Bermuda grass, adorned with fully grown coconut trees and banana plants. A charming tropical native house sits on the property, featuring a sea view balcony, furnished kitchen, dining and living areas, 2 bedrooms, and a toilet and bath. It is suitable for temporary living while you build your new house or resort. This property presents an investment opportunity for those seeking to own a beach lot in a beautiful location. It is also ideal for those wanting to start a business in the tourism industry. Whether you envision building a large romantic house, creating a glamping resort, or developing subdivision houses, this property is perfect for a variety of uses, including a diving center. Adding to its charm, the property is just 10 minutes from Consuelo Port and 20 minutes from San Francisco town. The town provides almost everything you need for daily living, including a large farmers market, grocery stores, banks, hardware stores, public and private hospitals, CTU college, churches, and more. Don't miss this opportunity to own a stunning beach property in one of Camotes Island's desirable locations. Whether for personal use or as a business venture, this property offers endless possibilities. Contact us today to schedule a viewing or to learn more about this property. To discover the beauty of the Camotes Islands, click the link in the description below.